Setting the ring function for your BIBO bar. Your BIBO bar has a sound function that you may activate, as the default setting is silent. If you'd like to hear a beep at the touch of every button, this is what you need to do. Select the menu button on your BIBO bar screen and navigate to the ring setting by touching the red cup button 7 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the ring settings. The on-off option will be available. Scroll to your preferred ring setting using the red cup button. To save this setting, press the menu button. To go back to the home screen, press the return button twice. And that's it. Your BIBO bar will beep each time a button is touched, and it'll fit right in with all the other beeping objects around you. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.